If you want to change your life, this video is for you. Hi friends, this is MaxBot channel. Now you will see the work of an effective trading robot. I will open the first deal on the currency pair Swiss franc, Japanese yen, time frame 2 minutes, the amount of investment $300. To get a signal from the neural network, you just need to press 2 keys in the menu. So, the robot recommends opening a higher trade. Our team gives you the opportunity to use 3 signals from the bot with an average passability of 90% for free, after which you can buy this tool at a 90% discount and work without limits. There are 10 places left at the discount. Link in the description. Once purchased, the bot gives an unlimited number of signals. On historical data, I see a higher trend. The bulls have been saturating the market with volume for the past 2 hours. Strong support areas prevented the price from falling hard when the bears became active. Now I also see the high activity of the bulls on the volume histogram. I think that the higher trend will continue, and that is probably why the bot issued such a recommendation. Let's wait for the end of the trade and see the result. Attention! There is a large-scale comment contest on our channel. You can win a great prize of $1,000 by following a few steps. Watch this video from the beginning to the end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video and write 1 comment on the subject of trading. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that only those viewers who watch the video to the end will participate in this contest. Only 1 message is accepted from 1 person, which must be thematic. Off-topic comments such as, "I want $1,000, will not be allowed to participate. I choose 1 winner each week using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the results of the contests there, I publish important educational information that will help you quickly develop your skills and pump up your thinking for professional work with currency pairs and not only. Good luck to everyone. So, the first operation closed in plus. $261 came to the real account. I want to build on the success, and so I will make 1 more trade, changing the currency pair. I will enter the market on the variant Euro, Japanese yen. The new bot signal is higher. It also provides additional information about volatility and the impact of news on the currency pair in messages with signals. At the moment, the price fluctuations are elevated and the news has a significant impact on the movement. Now I will take another look at the historical data using the TradingView service and discuss why the robot generated such a signal. So, recently bulls have been dominating and accumulating volumes more intensively than sellers. The trend is pronounced, higher. An hour ago, the bears had an advantage, but could not develop it. As a result, after the decline, the price pushed from the support area and confidently started to rise. In this situation, I believe that the robot gave a logical conclusion. Within the short expiry time frame, there is a very high probability that the current trend will continue. Yes, there may be corrections. Yes, there will be sideways movement. But this will not change the general direction, which does not plan to turn downward. Let's wait for the final result. And right now on the screen you can read reviews from traders who use MaxBot on a regular basis. The robot has become their reliable assistant who takes care of all the most responsible decisions in analytics. It allows people to optimize their working time, forces and increase trading results several times. By the way, after purchasing the bot, you will get access to a private VIP chat, where our experienced experts analyze the market. There our team analyzes various market situations and shares signals. So the robot was right. $258 in my pocket. To be more precise, it was deposited into my account. That's great. Now I'm going to make a final trade to check the accuracy of the artificial intelligence once again. A new option for trading, the currency pair Australian dollar and US dollar. The bot issued a higher recommendation. High volatility, strong influence of news on the market. I entered the trade. The robot uses a powerful arsenal of skills. 30 indicators, price action, candlestick and technical analysis. I'll take another look at the history on the currency pair. Trends can help me understand the logic of the signal from the bot. I will first look at the tick volume histogram. During the past 2 hours there was a sideways movement. The bulls held steady, but the bears did not give up their positions either. After a smooth price growth in a continuous flat state, the situation leveled out, and for a long time the local lows were on the same line. I think that in this situation there are no prerequisites for price decline. The sideways movement will continue, but there is a prospect of price bounce from the support area upwards, because the general trend on the distance is a smooth price growth in some moments. I think that the robot, with the help of additional analytics, has rechecked all possible variants of events development and issued a verdict, which is the most probable development of events for objective reasons. The bot will triple your deposit on the first day, friends. The investment you make with a 90% discount in buying MaxBot will pay for itself in the first hours of operation. Working with this structure, you will indeed become much richer. Bot absorbed a huge amount of skills and experience, which its developers received 9 years. They spent years to study and improve trading. And all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. Link to the bot in the description of this video. So, the third consecutive trade closed in the plus. The account received $234. Total profit for today $753. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe to the channel, give a like and click on the bell to always be aware of current events and updates of the best neural network. Participate in the contest with a prize of $1,000, which I described in detail at the beginning of the video, and join our Telegram channel at the link in the description. See you soon.